it's possible that you can still play.
I thought, oh, I'm too old. And then I thought, well, I'll be sorry if I don't go and try out.
The San Diego Senior Women's Basketball Association is for senior women 50 years of age and over.
If you can stand up and move your legs, you're welcome.
People come into the gymnasium with big smiles on their faces.
It's time to go.
Okay, we're warming up for the game that we're going to have so we can beat this young team.
We are the oldest team in the league, yes, definitely.
To be on our team, our splash team, you have to be at least 80 years old. Most of us are 85 and over. Meg and I, we're both 91.
Oh yeah, we play to win, absolutely.
Count us in, splash on 3.
1, 2, 3, splash!
We play 3-on-3, half court, with 15-minute halves.
Out of the way, Joe!
And a 30-minute game.
That's it, Fran, put it up. Oh!
Of course, we pay all these younger players, so we don't win very often. Once in a while we do.
A lot of my childhood friends thought I was crazy at 66 to be playing basketball.
They saw the splash pay, and I wanted to play on that team.
When I told my brothers, they said, they'll put you away.
You could break an arm and break a leg.
I thought, well, I'll be sorry if I don't go and try out.
And I said, I'm going to play anyway.
I've been playing for over 20 years, not as long as some of them.
I've been on the splash 24 years.
And you know, I'm the only one surviving of my childhood friends. They're all gone, every one of them.
Nobody gets a free shot! Stay right in front of them!
Run those plays. Try and run the stack when you're out there.
I always feed Gracie. It's money in the bank.
I was 78 years old when I got my first basketball shoes, so that was a thrill. Because I never played all my life, never had the chance to play. Growing up, we didn't have sports like the girls do today. We didn't have the opportunity to play. That was before Title IX. I thought, oh, gee, that would be so much fun if I could actually play basketball. As long as I can, I'm going to play.
Way to go, nice going.
Anytime our team gets over 20 points, it's very good. We got 40. We got 42. And they got 50.
Friendships, the sisterhood, the family. It's the nicest group of people from all walks of life.
So it's just a pleasure to be with such a nice group of ladies.
I enjoy playing with them so much.
Everybody is one for all and all for one. We have energy and we have happiness.
It can be done, even if you get older.
You only have one life. What the hell? Go for it and go for it. Keep moving. You think you're a lot younger than you really are, but you're sitting out there.
As long as I can, I'm going to play. It's just too much fun.